We can create tasks of charge grid with execution time. Click Manage in the upper right corner when in Plan main interface. Then click Add Charge to establish charge plan. Set the charging point and execution time. Repeat cycle can be set to every day, working day. Customize. Click Save once the setting is completed. Click the icon of Back. You can view or edit scheduled plans on this page. Return to Plan main interface. You can view the scheduled plans for today and tomorrow. Choose Grid to establish grid plan, and select the welcome location and execution time. And repeat cycle be set to every day, working day. Customize. The interval between adjacent scheduled tasks should be more than 12 minutes. Otherwise, the new plan cannot be established. Click the icon of Back. You can view or edit scheduled plans on this page. Swipe to left on an existing plan. You may click Cancel to cancel it. Click on the Admin in the upper right corner to enter the schedule management page. Swipe left on an existing schedule. You can choose to turn off, turn on, or delete the schedule.